Hello, welcome to the exposome project submitted during the hackathon. So it's an online demonstration. It's running. It will be put online very shortly. So the concept of exposome is when humans are exposed to lots of factors which have an influence on their health. In the concept of climate change, it is quite an interesting concept because people which are can be affected, their health can be affected by change of temperatures, for example, or high rainfall, or different other combinations of factors. Once you get to the page, you can play an audio file. So if I activate the audio button here, you can play messages, and you got an introduction to the idea of exposome. So this is the main interface. Once you've gone outside of the info section, you can select different types of age group: unborn baby, adults, elderly, and then there's different types of factors that affect them. And then you can see with the climate prediction based on Copernicus what would be the impact on the health. So for example, for hospital admission, if you got lots of days with a temperature above 40 degrees Celsius, and you see throughout time what happens to different countries, regarding the rise of hospital admission for things like dehydration, heat stroke, acute renal failure. Similarly, you can check on unborn baby. There is some sound describing the information as well. So if you go for the Zika virus, for example, you can then see for that particular the conditions where the temperature is between 28 and 34 degrees Celsius, there will be a high transmission of Zika virus in newborn babies. So we're trying to look at how different age range can be influenced by a different type of change of temperature. Of course, this is partial. We only have 2 Copernicus data set models behind it, so there's a lot more to add, and also other factors like, for example, obesity prevalence and other bits and pieces. So it gives you an idea of what can be the consequence of climate change on global health. Thank you very much.